Hey guys, welcome back. Pat here with Advanced RV Centers out here in beautiful Okeechobee, Florida. Boy, do we have a treat for you here today. Beautiful 2008 Travel Supreme Alante 45Dl24. One owner, garage kept. This thing is MINT, guys. Got the big 500 horse Cummins on it. We just put brand new tires on it all the way around. I mean, it is standing tall. Got the dual patio GERARD awnings. This thing is loaded. Anyways, let me get right to it. Paint and body condition, I gotta say between a 1 and a 10. Is going to be right there at a 9. There might be 2 scratches on it. I'll point those out as we go. Boy, I'll tell you, when you find them like this, it's exciting. Anyways, down here you got a TV that'll slide out of there, outdoor entertainment for you there. Okay, loads of basement storage with this raised rail Spartan chassis. You got the 2 nice slide out trays here. I mean, all these doors open and close nicely. No slamming and banging. Central vac there. You got the slide out tray. Just really nicely done. Everything's clean, no rust, no leaks. Again, brand new tires all the way around. I mean, all your slide out seals, your slide awning toppers, electric window awnings all the way around. And you're looking at it just the way we got it. I mean, there's no checking in the paint. Look at the reflection in there. All we've done is wash it. Wash the bugs off. You got 3 rooftop ACs with heat pumps. You got the AQUA hot system. Backup side view cameras. Show you this engine. Yeah, it's kind of hard with one hand. Yeah, I don't want to break nothing here. Bear with me. There we go. Cummins power. Side mount radiator. If you want to see additional photos, you're going to go over to rvtrader.com. Go in the dealer search bar and type in Advanced RV Centers and see additional pictures of the roof. Stuff that we're not going to get to in the video. Okay. There's your wet bay. Nice and clean, no rust. Still trying to find a scratch. I mean, just a little light scuff there. There's your hydronic heating. The other side of your storage boxes. Generator, that's a pneumatic, works on air, slides out the front. There's pictures of that. in the ad. All the self-leveling die cores been redone. Generator is a 10,000 watt ONAN with 775 hours, if I remember right. This is no fogged windows, no chips in the windshield. Again, like I said, MINT. The front 3M diamond shield here is showing a little wear. You know how they get over time. For it to be perfect, that could get redone. And that's why I just put it at a 9, because of the front diamond shield. Let's take you inside. Oh, a lot cooler in here today. That'd be 98, 99 outside. This 3 AC's got this coach cooled down nicely. So you got the Hadley ride control system. Yeah, auto leveling jacks. Backup, side view cameras, tire pressure monitor system. The upholstery is perfect. No wear, no tears, no foul odors, no cracks in the tile. The inside's a perfect 10. Fireplace. Nice flat screen there, whether it's a smart TV or not, I'm not sure, probably not. Looks a little older. Convection oven. Got your dishwasher. 2-burner induction cooktop. Beautiful woodwork. All your cabinets are nicely aligned, closed and open flawlessly. Nice GE residential fridge here. Real nice and spacious. Bathroom, dual vanity. Nice clean shower. Here's your head. Lots of cabinet space throughout. It's your AQUA hot control, your thermostat controls 3 ACs, stackable washer and dryer. King size bed. She's got a cedar lined closet here in the back. She's got all your manuals, all the maintenance records. Who's going to be the lucky new owner? That's my question. If you're in the market, it's definitely one you want to put on your list. Clean, clean, clean. All right, well, you get the idea. Please feel free to call with any questions. Again, my name's Pat, Advanced RV Centers, 561-719-9774. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.